Daddy will read.
May ano lang will read.
Eh, ikaw na.
Baka umiyak sa dito.
Open it, Daddy. Broke it, Daddy, broke it.
Brother.
Ayan, sabi sa inyo yan.
Rocket, brother.
Kasi souvenir niya sa Iraq yan eh.
Merry Christmas, brother.
Oh, read the message.
Daddy,
Baka mo nga, baka mo.
start on your major, Lawrence Zebra. Your
Simple, ano.
Teko.
I read the message, brother, and this just to brother Larry. First, Merry Christmas, brother. And we really thank you for it, brother. You are a true angel to this
Naiyak si Yumi.
Thank you.
Nakakaiyak
mo. Thank you, my brother, father, my friend. I wish
Ikaw din.
we love you, brother. Again, Merry Christmas and blessed New Year to you and your family. Thank you, brother.
Yay! Ang ganda, no?
Maganda yung lalo ilagay sa bag.
Sobrang much appreciated yung mga ganyan. Ano yung dumat?
Si Yumi din naiyak ko. Naiyak. Dito siya lalo. Marunong kayo yan.
Ikaw, binigyan!
Merry Christmas, brother.
Ano yung mga naiyak? Kaya. Maganda nilagay sa may ano.
For you, a simple gift. My father.
Ganda. Maganda isa. Teachers of engineering.
Sa may salas. Sa may salas.
We lost some of guys ano, time and then the class during my shop.
Ganda, Cozy.
Binigay mo agad yan. Ito pa yung maliliit.
Grand prize daw. Ay, grand. You're welcome, Tito.
You're very welcome. This is a good Christmas.
Ayun, yung plug. Yung patches. Dapat 29 pa yung darating. Eh, napaaga.
That's why we thank you.
Oo. Para talaga pang regalo.
Thank you very much.
So, bati ka dito, bate. Bati ka dito.
Ilalagay.
Bati ka dito.
Sa kwarto na lang. Para hindi mo.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Kanino galing ka?
Merry Christmas, Tito.